Hello, and welcome to Network 99, a place to reconnect with your intuition, a place for artistic exploration, creative expression, and, from time to time, abstract thoughts. Welcome to the show. So grateful and thankful you're here with us today for this 5-minute intuitive sketch. So far, just about a minute into this sketch, I've only used a handful of colors, as you can see, and if you're able, maybe you've got some paper and some markers nearby and you can grab those and, if you want, sketch along with me. The idea behind this one is simple. Just keep moving, make marks and color where you want them. And that's the joy and the fun of it, is sort of finding this rhythm where I like to think of it sort of like you're watching a good show or a movie or maybe a game of some sport you like. And the difference being that you're in control of this. And to the extent that you are able, you can either disconnect from where the pen goes and let it flow more abstractly, or be more deliberate with your choices. And I'll remind you also, too, if you want, you can stop at any time. Just stop the drawing if it's not suiting you, if it's not bringing you joy, if it's not feeling like a certain connection is being established. Just stop, turn the page, walk away, take a break. This sketch is a type that I like to do from time to time, which is a little more loose than some of my normal work, and I encourage you to try getting loose like this. It really is a fun way to push yourself through some uncomfortable moments, maybe while you're making these lines and shapes and forms. But it's also great because it flexes those traditionally subconscious artistic muscles. And as this one is wrapping up here, I'd like to thank you again for stopping by Network 99 today. Really appreciate your support. Like and subscribe to Network 99 if you like what you see and you want to see more. This was a really fun drawing, and it only took about 5 minutes. So if you've got the time, I encourage you to get out there and sketch some yourself. Until next time, friends, be kind, be creative, and bring the joy.